And then here we have a 3-piece shaker. This one's by Oneida. Oneida? I cannot remember how to say that.
You were right.
Oneida? Oh God! Dang it. Oneida. 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 Okay, I got it for good. Like Bill Nye. Okay.
Okay. I'll give you your lead in again.
Got it. All right, good.
All right, we got this. And I'll put in the disclaimer.
Cool.
All right.
What's the disclaimer?
I'll tell you. I'll show you. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and this is where you'll find tons of recipes that are easy with tips and tricks to make rolling up your sleeves in the kitchen fun. But today we're gonna do something a little different. So my son Carver and I are going to do a cocktail shaker review, but this is not a sponsored video. Nobody is paying us for this video. It's just kind of what we like.
Yeah.
Okay.
So starting off, here we have a Boston shaker. This one specifically is by Barbrat. And then moving on, this one's by Oneida, and this is a 3-piece shaker. And then finally, this is just a really pretty shaker.
Yeah, it's pretty. I got it. It's pretty.
And specifically, this one should stay as far back into your bar as possible and never touch it. It leaks all over the place and is really not great.
But it's pretty.
But it is pretty, it's very pretty.
So tell us about these two.
Yeah, so starting off, this is our Boston shaker, most common one found in bars. And it's very versatile. And so with this one, what you do is you're gonna wanna line this side up and make it this flush. And then all you gotta do is smack it again and it comes right undone. And as you can see, it holds a really tight grip and that's really, really good whenever you're shaking a cocktail. And then this is a 3-piece shaker. It's called that because obviously it comes in 3 pieces. Now, the reason why a lot of people don't like this one is because this top cap sometimes gets stuck, but I really haven't had a problem with that at all.
And this is a good one.
And this is a good one.
This hasn't got stuck on us.
Right, this one's my personal favorite as far as home use and just something to play around with.
That's cool. And this one, not only can you shake it, but you can also do the rolling.
That's right.
Some drinks call for that.
Yep,
So.
you can roll stuff in that. That one's really nice because you have both of the tins. And so if you want to put one in the other or not, it's just a lot easier to deal with.
That's really cool. So when it comes to shaking these, I do have to say, his shaking technique is way better than mine. So how do you shake these two guys?
Sure, so for this guy, what I like to do, just put my thumb on the top and my pinky on the bottom, and then I'm able to give a really good strong grip on that.
And do that one.
And then for this one.
Here, let's put some stuff in there. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah, so for this one, again, keeping the side flush. And it's pretty much the same thing, but that one is just a bigger can, so.
Yeah, that's awesome. And then what I like about this guy is that you don't need 3 pieces to strain it. You just break the seal and then keep the ice from falling into the glass like that. And then this one has got the strainer and that strains pretty easily. So, you wanna see my shaking? Because your hands are really large and I'm like,
It's a little sad.
I told you his technique was better than mine. All right, so let's see. So when it comes to these two, do you have a preference of which one you like better?
Personally, I just like this one. This is just the one I think fits better in a person's hands, given I have gorilla hands, but yeah, that's just my personal preference if you want to mess around with something at home and nothing too crazy, so yeah.
I agree. I like this guy. It doesn't leak. This one leaks terribly. This one I find just a little awkward, but I like this guy. So if you're looking for a great home bar shaker, check this one out, the Oneida. And I'll put a link below where you can find it. So thanks so much for hanging out with us here at Lakeside Table. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next week, have a great time in your kitchen.
All right, cool. See you guys.
Bye guys.